Welcome to Sikho.ai, introducing beatmaking essentials, crafting modern trap and classic boom bap. Dive deep into the art of hip-hop beat production. This intensive course guides producers through foundational techniques and genre-specific secrets to create compelling modern trap and authentic boom bap beats. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, Foundations and the Boom Bap Blueprint. Module 2, The Modern Trap Sound Design. Module 3, Arrangement Mixing and Genre Fusion. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.